Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for post-workout breakfast pancake. Even if you don't prefer morning workouts, you can still have this pancake for breakfast or any time of the day like a responsible adult. Prep time is for 20 to 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients and quantities for serving 2 to 3 persons, or you can have this all by yourself. So let's begin. Okay, so here are the main ingredients: my oat mix, chocolate flavored soya milk, and 3 bananas. The contents of the oat mix are roasted and prepared beforehand. On some days, I just add soya milk to the oat mix and eat it like a cold porridge for breakfast. In this blending jar are just 2 cups of my oat mix. Blend the oat mix to a fine powder. You may also add baking soda in this step so the pancakes become more fluffy. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder to increase the sweetness. Empty the powdered oat mix into a mixing bowl. Peel and cut the bananas to check if it is not spoiled from the inside. Now add some soya milk to the banana so it can blend into a smooth puree. Now mix the wet and dry ingredients together. Make sure no dry spots remain. Gradually add soya milk and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the batter. Let the batter rest. While the batter rests, clean up the workstation, heat up the pan. Once the pan is smoking hot, reduce the heat and add coconut oil or any neutral tasting oil. Pour the batter on the pan with a ladle. About palm size should be good, easy to flip. Sprinkle some water on the pan before covering it with a lid. Each side takes about 2 minutes to cook. If you use a non-stick pan, then your life will become slightly easy when trying to flip the pancake. If you count your calories, then here is nutritional information for per serving. That is it. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned something new, then leave a like, subscribe, share, comment below or DM me on Instagram for future video suggestions. Be kind. See you next time.